Good morning. Apple Intelligence embraces Google Gemini as its primary backbone for advanced LLM tasks, marking a historic shift in big tech partnerships. But does this alliance signal Apple's surrender in the AI arms race, or a masterstroke of integration? And Apple unveils Creator Studio, an exclusive AI-powered creative suite designed to cement the iPad and Mac's dominance among professional artists. Is a walled garden of AI tools enough to keep creatives from migrating to platform-agnostic generative software? Also, Anthropic's new Cowork feature brings agentic file manipulation to the desktop, allowing Claude to manage complex office workflows for non-coders. As AI agents move from chat boxes to direct file system access, are we prepared for the security risks of autonomous desktop management? Plus, Meta shifts focus, Anthropic enters healthcare, and DeepSeek slashes memory requirements with Engram. All this and more on today's AI in the AIM report. Let's go. Apple has officially integrated Google's Gemini to power the heavy-lifting generative tasks within Apple Intelligence. While Siri handles local requests, Gemini will manage complex queries. This partnership suggests Apple is prioritizing immediate user utility over developing a proprietary frontier model, effectively making Gemini the default intelligence engine for billions of Apple devices worldwide. Apple's Creator Studio aims to redefine professional workflows by integrating generative AI directly into its ecosystem. The suite offers advanced image synthesis, video editing, and asset management tailored for power users. The suite merges Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Pixelmator Pro, Motion, Compressor, and MainStage into a single subscription. By locking these high-end features to its hardware, Apple seeks to ensure that the next generation of digital content is created exclusively on Mac and iPad devices. Anthropic has introduced Cowork, a significant leap for Claude that allows the AI to interact directly with local files and folders. Unlike standard chatbots, Cowork can organize documents, summarize entire directories, and execute multi-step office tasks. It targets non-technical users, aiming to turn Claude into a functional desktop intern that handles the drudgery of file management. Mark Zuckerberg is doubling down on AI, resulting in 1,500 layoffs within Meta's Reality Labs division. This pivot marks a shift away from pure metaverse VR development toward AI-driven hardware like the Ray-Ban smart glasses. Meta is reallocating billions in capital to ensure it remains a top-tier player in the foundation model space, signaling that the year of efficiency has evolved into the year of AI. Anthropic is challenging OpenAI's dominance in the medical field by launching specialized AI healthcare tools. These models are designed to assist doctors with diagnostic support and patient data synthesis while adhering to strict privacy standards. This move intensifies the rivalry between the two AI giants as they both vie to become the primary operating system for the global healthcare industry. Salesforce has revamped Slackbot into a fully fledged AI agent powered by Anthropic's Claude. The updated bot can now summarize entire channels, draft action items, and pull data across the Salesforce ecosystem. By moving Slackbot from a simple search tool to an active participant in project management, Salesforce is directly taking on Microsoft's Copilot within the enterprise chat space. Chinese AI powerhouse DeepSeek has released Engram, a breakthrough architecture that significantly reduces the memory footprint required for LLMs by optimizing how GPUs handle silent waste cycles. Engram allows high-performance models to run on more modest hardware. This innovation could democratize access to powerful AI and potentially disrupt the current reliance on high-end NVIDIA H100 clusters. New reports from Goldman Sachs and Forrester highlight a growing job anxiety as AI integration accelerates. While UK recruiters face a dire market, Many firms are still struggling to find workers with specific AI literacy skills. The data suggests a horse versus car scenario where human labor isn't disappearing, but the fundamental skills required for employment are undergoing a radical, rapid shift. To combat job displacement fears, Microsoft has launched the Open to Work initiative, offering free AI training and certifications. The program aims to bridge the gap between current workforce skills and the demands of an AI-driven economy. By providing a clear roadmap for career pivoting, Microsoft hopes to position its ecosystem as the primary tool for professional survival in 2026. The biotech sector is seeing a massive influx of capital, with NVIDIA and Eli Lilly backing a $1 billion AI-powered drug discovery lab. Startups like Converge Bio and Proxima are raising significant rounds to use generative models for protein folding and clinical trial simulation. This surge indicates that the most tangible ROI for AI may soon be found in life-saving pharmaceutical breakthroughs. In a surprising turn, Linux creator Linus Torvalds has commented on the vibe coding trend, where developers use natural language and high-level AI prompts to build software. Torvalds acknowledges that while the vibe handles the boilerplate, the underlying logic still requires a human touch. His endorsement signals a cultural shift in how the world's most influential programmers view AI-assisted development. Elon Musk's Grok AI is at the center of a political firestorm following reports of its potential use by the Pentagon. Critics express concern over the chatbot's unfiltered nature and Musk's personal influence over defense-related data. The outcry underscores the growing tension between private AI companies and national security protocols, as the line between commercial tech and military utility blurs. The Spanish government has moved to tighten consent rules regarding AI-generated images, specifically targeting deepfakes. New legislation requires explicit opt-in for any synthetic likeness used in media. This move makes Spain a leader in AI regulation within the EU, setting a potential legal precedent for how sovereign nations protect digital identity against increasingly realistic generative tools. A recent study has revealed the staggering effectiveness of AI-generated political propaganda in swaying undecided voters. The research highlights how hyper-personalized messaging can create echo chambers of one, making traditional fact-checking nearly impossible. This report serves as a warning for upcoming global elections as synthetic content becomes the primary tool for disinformation campaigns. A community-made script designed to completely debloat Windows by removing all AI features, including Copilot and Recall, has gone viral. Users are increasingly seeking ways to reclaim privacy and system resources from forced AI integrations. The script's popularity highlights a growing AI fatigue among consumers who feel that tech giants are overstepping with unrequested features. That brings us to the end of today's I in the AM report for today, Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe here on YouTube, and we will see you tomorrow and every morning. Thanks for watching.